listen up, slackers, and gather around the screen to the strangest tale that the world has ever seen. On server 201 there was a legend of dread, a witch named Zaggy with a mean spirit head. She was a midnight bandit, a pixelated thief. She brought the whole lobby nothing but grief. She'd swipe your golden wrenches and your blueprints too, then cackle in the chat while she raided your crew. Oh, Zaggy the mean, she was a digital blight, stealing all our treasures in the middle of the night. But now the server's quiet, there's no chaos to be found, 'cause that wicked old witch is out for the count. She's snoring like a chainsaw, she's out like a light. Yeah, Zaggy's gone quiet in the middle of the fight. The admins are baffled, the players are confused. Is she glitching out or is her hardware abused? Did she pinch that giant nose and lose all her air? Is there a lack of oxygen under all that greasy hair? Or did she try to eat a foot? Did she swallow a toe and choke herself out? Man, we really don't know. She's a statue in the corner, she's a lump on the floor, and the only sound she's making is a thunderous snore. Maybe her phone is tired of the crimes. Maybe she's serving out some sleepy time. Is it a virus, a curse, or just a heavy lunch? She ain't stealing wrenches, she's just following a hunch that the bed is better than the better. And we're reclaiming our gear without a single cackle or a reason for fear. The blueprints are safe and the wrenches are bright, while Zaggy stays tucked in way past the light. Check her ping, check her vitals, check the drool on her chin. The wickedest witch, let the nap time win. The mean, she was a digital blight, stealing all our treasures in the middle of the night. But now the server's quiet, there's no chaos to be found, 'cause that wicked old witch is out for the count. Yeah, she's sawing some logs, she's deep in the zone. The meanest witch on the web is a sleepwalking drug. Go on and sleep, Ziggy, don't let the bed bugs bite.